Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And today I am practice with vocabulary. Today I am practice on vocabularies, and today I make sentence on these vocabularies. So let's start today's video. And thank you for everyone to support me. And if hopefully you are improving your English every day, and you learn a lot every day. So let's start this video. Yeah,
Okay, so today's first word is outfit.
outfit.
Yeah.
Okay. uh, I like mostly I like mostly I like formal outfit.
Okay. Any other sentence?
For body language, outfit is more important part,
For non-verbal communication, outfit plays an important
important
role.
role.
Okay. Any other?
Okay, there are so many outfits. They attracts anyone.
They attract. They
They
can attract.
attract. Yes.
Okay. Any other?
No.
Okay, great. The next one is exercise.
Exercise. Every morning I do exercise because of my good health,
To maintain
to
a
maintain
healthy lifestyle.
healthy lifestyle. Yeah.
Okay. I do exercise is right, but you can say simply I exercise.
Okay.
Every morning I exercise for an hour to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Okay. Any other sentence?
There are so many exercise, like mentally, like they improve mindset and they improve body health. So exercise is more important for our body,
Overall health.
overall
Okay.
health. Yeah.
Any other?
No.
The next word is read.
Read. Every morning I read English books.
Any other?
Reading is very important while we improve any language, like English language, like any language. So reading is a important role. Reading, so reading is a important
Reading plays an essential.
essential role.
Okay. Any other sentence?
Hmm.
No?
In just 5 months, I read at least 10 to 12 books for my
I have
English
read.
improvement.
Okay. 10 to 12 books
Yeah.
in the last 5 months. Okay. The next word is listen.
Listen. On daily basis, I listen a lot, like English conversation and English podcast. Yeah.
What about music?
Yeah. Sometimes I listen to English music.
English music. Okay, great.
English music and Hindi music, Punjabi, so mixes.
Any other sentence? Do you read non-fiction or fiction?
Both.
Okay.
While listening, you can improve your listening skill, and you can improve your speaking skill.
And how many hours do you listen?
Not how many hours, but but every day I listen at least 2 to 3 conversation, and at least 1 to English podcast.
So it means around 4 hours.
Near about 3 to 4 hours daily I
Okay.
listening.
Next word is example.
Example. Teacher. Teacher explain by example to difficult questions.
टू लगाने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. Explains.
Okay.
Yeah, you don't need to use to here. Like simply you can say. Any other sentence?
When we stuck at any point, then we easily understand to by example.
To by example. With the help of example.
With the help of
We
examples.
can easily understand any concept with the help of example, or we can understand the uses of new words with the help of examples.
Yeah.
Any other sentence?
Kids easily understand any situation when we when we deliver example for that situation, related to that situation.
Okay. Any
Yeah.
other?
No.
Okay. So can you use all these words in just one paragraph? Outfit, exercise, read, listen, and example.
Okay. Mostly I wear to formal outfits, and then but mostly I wear to
Two क्यों लगा रहा है? Wear two क्यों लगा रहा है? Mostly I
mostly I
wear.
wear formal outfits, and I do everyday exercise for my healthy lifestyle,
Hmm.
and then and
Read, listen, and example.
and similarly every morning I read English books for my English improvement, and then I listen to English conversation and English podcast. So it's helpful for me, and when I stuck at point, then I use some examples for uh, for ba- for understanding.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah, we are done with the
Okay,
words.
for that's it for today. We will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.